Девятый день, day number 9, Ocean and Motion. Посмотрите, что творится с нашим океаном. Он начинает бушевать, поднимается где-то 5-6 метров ввысь. Так что мы приближаемся к Гибралтару, Gibraltar, and we definitely have a rough weather. Hopefully, we will be get much, much better tomorrow. But tomorrow temperature is also go down, so everybody ready for some kind of storm tonight. And hopefully, our show closed for today because it possibly will be changed due to the weather condition. Valentina live from Celebrity Accent, crossing transatlantic with Celebrity Accent, and our amazing Captain Castles. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube. This is just a little upgrade from the travel agent Valentina. 561-335-9459 live from Ocean in Motion.